This is TOS Television, your digital first Pan-African news network, and this is Africa Now. A South African court has halted oil giant Shell seismic testing for oil and gas along the country's eastern coastline, pending a final ruling. The decision has been hailed by environmentalists who fear that the sounding blasting will harm marine life. Shell says it had paused operations while it reviewed the judgment. On election matters, Gambia's Supreme Court dismissed a legal challenge to President Adama's recent election victory on Tuesday, ruling that the petition had not followed proper procedure, court documents showed. Barrow won the December 4 poll with 53% of the vote. Runner-up Usaino Daboe, who got about 28%, and two other candidates have refused to accept the results, citing alleged problems at polling stations without providing any evidence. Libya's parliament on Tuesday suspended its session until next week without a vote on any of the proposals raised on Monday for handling the fallout of last week's delayed election. Tuesday's session had been expected to include vote on those proposals. No immediate reason was given for the suspension of the session. In politics, Somalia's allies and international observers have expressed alarm over the escalating power struggle between the country's president and prime minister. Hundreds of troops loyal to Somalia's Prime Minister Mohamed Hussein Raboul camped on Tuesday near the residence of his political rival, President Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed, a day after the president tried to suspend the prime minister. At least 31 people were killed in the collapse of a private gold mine in western Sudan, a mining official said on Tuesday. Only one person was rescued alive, said Khalid Daweya, director of government-owned Sudanese Mineral Resources Company. This is your digital first Pan-African news network, TOS Television. This is Africa Now. Business and more coming your way after the break. Do stay tuned. Welcome back. In business, the Tunisian government on Tuesday revealed plans to borrow $7 billion more from foreign lenders and domestic sources to stimulate the country's economy next year. According to the Tunisian finance minister, the 2022 finance law boosts spending by over 3% year-on-year to $19.8 billion. This will bring government's debt to 82.6% of GDP. Now to COVID-19 updates. South Africa has recalled rules that no longer require people without symptoms of COVID-19 to isolate or test if they have been in contact with a positive case. The government announced on Tuesday, saying an amended circular will be reissued. Contact tracing efforts will also be scrapped aside from in specific scenarios such as cluster outbreaks. Emirates on Tuesday suspended the entry of travelers from several African destinations into Dubai until further notice. The move is the latest restriction on global travel aimed at limiting the spread of COVID-19, particularly in light of the emergence of the Omicron variant. Seychelles has taken a step forward towards introducing electronic biometric passports after signing a contract with a French company that specializes in the production of secure documents. Minister for Internal Affairs Errol Fonseca says the introduction of an electronic biometric passport in Seychelles is expected to raise the level of security at borders. Two Tanzanian nationals are being held by police for questioning in connection with the trafficking of 51 illegal Ethiopian migrants, police said on Tuesday. The police say they are also investigating to establish a syndicate that is behind human trafficking. And that is it on Africa Now. For more updates, to visit our website at www.tostvnetwork.com. Do follow us and like our social media handles on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And remember to subscribe on YouTube. Do stay with us and enjoy more programs on TOS Television Network. Thanks for listening.